The student life. It's a whirlwind of lectures, assignments, and ramen noodles. But what if you could leverage the power of artificial intelligence, AI, to create a side hustle and boost your income? Here are 5 AI-powered side hustles you can launch in 2024, all while keeping your studies on track. 1. Content creation machine. Level up your writing with AI. Struggling to meet deadlines for that blog post or freelance writing gig? AI writing assistants can be your secret weapon. Tools like Jasper or Writer can act as your creative muse, helping you overcome writer's block in seconds. Simply input a topic or keyword and the AI generates outlines, drafts, or even full articles to get you started. Need to support your claims with facts and figures? No problem. AI tools can research and fact-check information, saving you precious time. The possibilities for monetization are vast. Offer content writing services to businesses and bloggers, helping them establish a strong online presence. Build your own audience by creating and publishing a blog fueled by AI-assisted content. Monetize your blog through advertising or affiliate marketing, where you earn commissions by promoting relevant products. Finally, consider developing and selling ebooks or other downloadable content using AI writing tools. With a little planning and these powerful AI allies, you can transform your writing skills into a profitable side hustle. 2. AI tutoring. Become a personalized learning assistant. In the age of online learning, students crave personalized attention. But how can you, as a tutor, cater to each student's unique needs without spreading yourself thin? AI can be your secret weapon. Platforms like Newton and Carnegie Learning utilize AI to create adaptive learning experiences. These programs assess a student's strengths and weaknesses, then tailor the learning path accordingly. You can leverage this by using these platforms alongside your own expertise. Imagine tutoring sessions that seamlessly integrate with a student's online learning, allowing you to focus on areas where they need the most explanation. The possibilities for monetization are exciting. Offer online tutoring sessions, focusing on subjects where you excel. Partner with online learning platforms and become an AI-powered personalized tutor, reaching a wider audience. Finally, consider creating and selling online courses that leverage AI-powered practice tools, offering students a comprehensive and adaptable learning experience you curate. With AI as your sidekick, you can transform your tutoring skills into a successful and impactful side hustle. 3. Social media management on autopilot, almost. Students are social media natives. Why not put your expertise to use for businesses struggling to manage their online presence? AI-powered social media scheduling. Tools like Hootsuite or Buffer allow you to schedule posts in advance, freeing up your time. AI-powered content creation. Utilize AI writing assistants to generate social media post ideas, captions, and even basic visuals. Monetization options. Manage social media accounts for small businesses. Offer social media strategy consulting services. Create and sell social media content templates using AI writing assistants. 4. Data detective. Uncover insights with AI. Businesses are drowning in data. AI can help you become a data detective, uncovering valuable insights that businesses can use to make better decisions. Learn data analysis tools. Platforms like Google Data Studio or Tableau offer user-friendly interfaces for data visualization. AI-powered data exploration. Tools like Dataiku or RapidMiner can help you clean, analyze, and uncover hidden patterns in large data sets. Monetization options. Offer data analysis and visualization services to small businesses. Create and sell data analysis reports based on publicly available data sets. Develop and sell pre-built data analysis templates for specific industries. 5. AI-powered art and design. Are you creatively inclined? AI art tools are exploding in popularity, and students can leverage this trend to create unique and marketable designs. AI art generators. Tools like Midjourney or Dream by Wombo allow you to generate creative visuals based on text prompts. AI design assistants. Platforms like Adobe Sensei can automate repetitive tasks in graphic design, freeing up your time for more creative work. Monetization options. Create and sell AI-generated artwork as prints or digital downloads. Offer AI-powered design services to businesses, such as creating social media graphics or website banners.